What's up, y'all? I'm back. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, it's because I just filmed a video right before this one. Sometimes you just gotta cram them videos all into one day. You know what? Anyway, I'm going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner, how I achieve the desired look that I want without all the hassle. Because sometimes it can be hard trying to do this. I didn't learn overnight, and I'm still not the best at it. And I'm not going to say that I am, but I know. I know how to achieve that look now, the look that I'm going for, the sexy cat eye. So here we go. I'm going to take this felt tip, has two different points. There's a very fine tip and there's a bigger, beefier tip. So you're going to need that. And you're going to need liquid eyeliner, preferably black if that's what you want to use. But I stick to black, but you can use any color that you want. And now I got both of these from the beauty supply. What's a supply? Please tell me what a supply is. Beauty supply. Really? Really, Tom? It just doesn't work today. Anyway, beauty supply store is where I got both of these. One is called just the Duo Stroke Dual Ended Precision Eyeliner. That's what it says. And the other one is City Colors Black Liquid Liner. That's all it is. Just simple. You can buy this anywhere. You can get e.l.f. liquid eyeliner or probably a felt tip, you know, in drugstores. Wherever they sell it at, you can buy it anywhere. It's easy to find. Okay, so let me show you what I do. I take one of my tips, whether it be the fine tip or the little bit fatter tip, no matter which one it is, you're just going to be drawing a line. So what you're going to do is now I want you to grab your eyebrow gel, or I don't prefer to use eyebrow gel because it's just easy to use liquid eyeliner. You're going to take that and you're going to fill it in. Other side. Okay. Now, if you really want to be precise about it, you can go in with concealer and make the lines a little bit sharper, which I'm about to do. Take your concealer brush, go in with some concealer, the same color as your skin, preferably same color as your skin tone, and voila. That's all you gotta do. 3 products. Well, actually 4. Concealer, if you need it. You may not. I prefer to make my lines a little sharper, so I use concealer to carve out those lines and make them a little more sharper when I get done. Your concealer brush, liquid liner, and felt tip eyeliner to trace out your lines, and then you fill it in with this, and then clean up any lines or harsh marks or whatever you might have messed up, or whatever the case may be. You could mess up and not draw your line perfectly, or you just want to make your lines a little bit more crisper and more sharp. Concealer to clean up the lines. And this is my a little bit dramatic eyeliner. So, that's how you achieve this look. Quick, easy, simple. So, I will be signing off again, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a blessed night, and I will talk to you later. Bye.